So, on February 13th, OnePlus dropped a bombshell by canceling the OnePlus Open 2. I know this might feel like old news to some of you. I was tied up with other projects when it happened, but for anyone who's just catching up, here's what went down. OnePlus announced that the phone isn't coming out in 2025. Now, they didn't say it's never happening, but honestly, for most of us, that pretty much feels like a no-show. What's really interesting is that this decision ties into what's been going on with OPPO. They've been hyping up their upcoming foldable, the OPPO Find N5, which was expected to essentially become the OnePlus Open 2. Remember how the original OnePlus Open was just a rebranded version of the OPPO Find N3, sharing the same design and specs? It seemed like history was going to repeat itself. People were super excited about the Open 2, especially since the OPPO Find N5 is being touted as the thinnest foldable ever, 8.93mm thick when folded, and just 4.23mm when unfolded. And considering the original OnePlus Open, launched back in October 2023, fans had been waiting over a year and a half for its follow-up. Naturally, this news has left many foldable enthusiasts pretty disappointed, especially in regions like the US, where the choice for book-style foldables isn't exactly abundant. The Open 2 was seen as a bright spot in an otherwise limited market, so its cancellation really stings. On another note, while the OPPO Find N3 didn't even get a global launch event in 2023, the Find N5 is set for one on February 20th. So, here's hoping that this time around, the launch will be more global and reach more users. Meanwhile, Samsung still holds the top spot in the global foldable game with its Galaxy Z Fold series, even though it feels like they haven't pushed any major innovations in a while. Many folks in the foldable community feel that Samsung is starting to lag behind in key areas like design, display crease, thickness, weight, and camera performance. It felt like the perfect moment for OnePlus to shake things up, but then they pulled the plug. And of course, OnePlus hasn't given us a straight answer on why the Open 2 is off the table for 2025. We got a pretty vague diplomatic response, which leaves us all guessing. What do you make of this whole situation? Do tell. Thanks for watching. Peace.